What is going on, everybody? Good morning to you guys. Howdy, howdy. Good morning, Betty. Glad to see you in here. Love it. Wow. The clarity. Too fast. Awesome. All right, cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, come on, computer. What are you doing? All right, awesome. So, good morning to everybody. Welcome back to the boiler room. As you can see, I'm in my new office. So far today, nothing was moving exponentially. Nothing looked super amazing. We do have RCON that's on the move, slowly looking to die down here pretty soon. Doesn't look too hot. So again, we're kind of just coming into this like slow phase in the market. What's up, Haka? What's up? No hat. There is no hat this morning. I was thinking about it, but I'm like, I should probably let my hair breathe before I go bald. I'm gonna be bald soon enough. So, right, is what it is. So yeah, buddy. What's up, Nick? Everybody, XXII. You know, I did just take a look at XXII, honestly, and it was looking pretty good. It was. I don't want to say it was looking good, but it's gapping up just a little bit. Got to get over this 285 area. I might like it over 285. I might. So, yeah, buddy. Let's see. PCOM. Let me just take a quick look at there. For you guys. Oh man, I gotta range back here. Alrighty, guys. So let me go ahead and share my screen, then we'll get into it here. 1 second. All right, cool. What's up, Zach? What's going on? Good morning. What up, people? What up? Morning, Jaden. Morning. Yeah. All right, cool. So let me just get out of here. This is XXII. I did a little analysis on Facebook last night on the group. Oh, that's another thing. So if any of you guys aren't in the group, the link is in the description below. It's free. Go ahead and join it. It's basically me just updating a bunch of random stuff. So keep up to date on some stuff. You won't have a million posts to go through because all the posts come from moi. So that's cool. All right, let's go on to the first thing. Let's look at RCON. Everyone's going to be talking about this. Everyone's going to be watching this. So first things first, we know that the price of RCON, and I got to get on my other computer. Come on, Connor, you can't type. Okay, so looking at RCON, we knew that we would have resistance in this 260 area. We ended up breaking through resistance here at 260. We popped up to new highs, 52-week high of $2.66. So we popped up 7 cents higher than the previous 52-week high. So really, guys, we're not even, I mean, we're basically at the same 52-week high, okay? I know everyone is watching RCON at this point, and believe me, I'm looking at it too. You know, there's no secret here, guys. Let me tell you, you guys are not the first to see RCON, okay? You are not the first. RCON was on our watch from the first two candles it had this morning. We've seen it right out of the gates, right? You're not the first. With that being said, imagine all the people that were in the stock at $1.60. They're going to wake up here at about 9 o'clock, and they're going to be mind blown because they're going to be up a few $1,000s or however much they had invested. They're going to be up quite a bit of change, right? Those people that are in at $1.60, they're going to roll out of bed here at about 9 o'clock, and you know they're going to be super excited to see that they are up a lot, right? So keep that in mind, right? You're not the first, okay? So let's look back here on the 1 minute chart, and I want to point something out too. And I never really talk about this, but you know the saying that when you trade stocks, you're supposed to buy low, sell high. We all know we're supposed to buy low, sell high. So let me ask you at this point, what are you going to be doing if you were to buy this stock when it opens today? What are you doing? You're definitely not buying low. If anything, you're buying high. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind is if this does work out and it pulls out of the gates hard and it shoots up, you have to understand you are already buying very high. So holding it is not a good idea. You need to buy high, sell just a little higher. This is going to be a quick early morning scalp trade. If anything, And right now it doesn't look very good. This is the kind of trade when it gaps up like this, you're in for just a quick 10, 20, maybe 30-cent move, and take your profits and walk away and be happy, because it's already so high that it's already so risky, right? South Carolina, is that what I'm seeing there? Well, good morning to you as well from Michigan. Novi, actually. So RCON, again, you're not the first to watch it. You're not the first to see it. Probably going to drop here. Probably going to see profit taking right at the beginning of the day, soon as the bell opens. I mean, if you look at the RSI just here on the 1 minute, you can clearly see it's just going straight down, right? I mean, that's just clear. I mean, and that reflects the price action, right? The RSI is going straight down. We have a cross on the MACD. I never talk about these things because I don't even ever really have to look at them, but I mean, I guess it helps a little for me. I don't know. But, you know, looking at the RSI, you can tell it's just clearly going down. The price is going down, momentum's dying down, and it all makes sense. Holy smokes. Australia, Canada, I love it. Cincinnati. So let's move over to, so guys, again, RCON, it has a 4.5 million share float. It traded 314,000 shares of volume today. So, Big Rapids, Michigan. Ooh, Big Rapids. Been there a few times. Allen Park, Michigan. Holy smokes, you're not far away at all. All right, let's see. What do we got here? All right, let's hop over to SNES. Oh, wow. Yeah, that. I mean, so this was looking kind of good earlier just because it popped up. So we were hoping it could put in a new low or a higher low and create a trend. But right now it doesn't look amazing. It's just kind of all over the place. I do think it's worth keeping on watch. This could be a multi-day runner. But it's just, yeah, it had a jump, but it's losing the volume. It just doesn't look very strong. I was originally today, I was looking to short it until it had this little spike up. And then I was looking for a long, but that spike up failed, and now it's about to drop back below $3. So this is probably setting up for a short play today, to be completely honest with you. But, you know, so that's the thing, is there's no good setup here for a long yet, right? It's all over the place. There is no good setup. I'm not even going to recommend anything here just because there is no good setup right now. The only thing I'm probably looking to do is potentially short it below $3. All right, let's take a look here at yeah, AIMT. We're gonna get there. We got a lot to look at. I mean, I want to take a look at HMNY real fast. So something you got to think to yourselves, guys, is what is HMNY doing, right? No, I don't short on TOS. TOS is probably one of the worst brokers in the history of stock trading to short with. So I'm not shorting with them. Now look at HMNY. HMNY just quick spike up, but you know, what is it doing really? Ask yourselves, is this people buying the stock, or what's really happening? It's not. It's people that are covering their short positions on the stock. That's why it's exploding so fast. That's all it is here. There is some news. Helium Analytics reports MoviePass movie theater subscription service has surpassed 600K. Okay, so they're just fluffing up their company right now because they know they're trash and they know they're going to $2 again. So let me tell you, dude, HMNY will make its way back down to $2 a share, but they sent out some news today. The price started reversing and going up a little bit. Shorts covered their position. Now we're getting a huge pop and squeeze. So it's hard to say exactly what's going to happen with this one yet. Let's see. Let me zoom out. Let me get a better picture of what's going on here. So, yeah, we kind of stopped out right at about the open for yesterday. You know, it might actually be good over that open yesterday. So it might be good over about 1650. It's probably going to do that pre-market and keep squeezing out. But I think HMNY is going to be in play today. I think we're going to see some short sellers get squeezed out, continuously get squeezed out. Yeah, it's just it's hard to say because it's such a crappy company that it's just getting fluffed up on news right now, and the float is so low that it does become extra sketchy. So it's hard for me to tell you exactly what to do on that one. Let's see. Let me take a look here at MBRX real quick. Yeah, no, I wouldn't mess around with MBRX. So I think that it is worth your guys' time to keep a look on HMNY for potential play today. It's probably going to have plays all over the board. It'll probably have plays to the upside and the downside. Next. Oh, yeah. I've already made tons of people mad calling. And it's funny, Mike. Honestly, it's funny because I mean, I'm not – okay, you know, it sounds like I'm trying to – no, I'm not. You know, I'm just going to come straight. I literally told people, I'm like, dude, HMNY is going to come crashing down. It's just a matter of time. And everyone's like, it's going to the moon. It's the movie pass. It's the future. I'm like, dude, it was a $2 stock, and it went to $30 in like 2 weeks. That is not normal. Just be like, no, that doesn't happen, right? Tesla wants to like make flying cars and put people on the moon, and their stock price didn't even go up that fast. Like, get out of here. So no, like I don't, no. Anyways, with that being said, seriously, it just didn't like, it's just not right. So HMNY, again, guys, it has a very low float. As you can see, it's building up a little resistance in this 1650 area. If it pops up and squeezes out of the gate over 1650, I will definitely be looking to maybe get in up to $17. This thing's just really sketchy, and I don't really like it. I think, honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to trade it. I really don't know. Like I said, like the market hasn't been speaking to us as it has been a lot. But then again, guys, the market's dying, or the market's getting really slow right now. You know, I mean, if you look at the market just today, I mean, look at this. I'll show you this, guys. Look at how red the market is right now. Look at that. You guys see that? Hold on, it'll take a second for it to go through. Look at that. That is the market. I mean, it's so red. I mean, things are just not, you know, it's a dime a dozen. You're going to have to really pick, and you're going to have to really see what you're trying to trade, right? So yeah, guys. So long story short, the market is definitely slower right now. So, oh, look at RCON. RCON's popping off. But so again, the market is really slow right now. Volume has been dying down. So when it comes to your trading, you just have to be more cautious about what you're going to trade, okay? So I don't really like HMNY, but something I will recommend for anybody short selling is AIMT today. AIMT, I'm almost positive. Let me just double check its daily chart. Guys, oh, wait, where is it at? 31. I think we're going to see a little bit of downside from AIMT today. Okay, there's probably going to be a little bit of downside for AIMT. It's already gapped down to 31. I think we can probably get a move to 30 today. And then also Cure, Q-U-R-E. I think Cure is going to dump out a little bit today. They did have an offering in which they were going to buy back, like they were going to sell 5 million of their non-outstanding shares. So it might be a little trappy today, guys. It might be a little bit trappy today. Yeah, exactly, Profit Trader. Cure had its first. Oh, that's another thing. Let me go back in here, guys. I want to show you this, right? Remember how I said? I think I said it yesterday. Cure was on heavy short list. Look at it. Had its first red day here with the long upper wick. So it really looks good for a short today. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks great for a short. I want to get in below 18, but again, you have to be cautious because the company just offered. They're doing a $5 million offering, which is bad news for the company, but it could also prop their stock price up for just a little bit. But I think we're going to see this drop below 18 for a good short, guys. So watch Cure. Keep QURE on watch for a short today. Now we have RCON popping back up. So let me take a look here at Points International. I know it's been a while since I've been over here on Points, but all right. So this is the game plan here, right? So PCOM has. Oh, let me go. That's an invalid one. This is the daily chart on PCOM. It's a long-term position I have. So based on the way it's been moving, right? It's seen some heavy selling pressure because it's broken its immediate trend. So let me delete these real quick. It's been seeing a lot of selling right now just because it's broken its immediate trend, which is right here. It just recently broke through that immediate trend, and now it's kind of seeing some selling and dropping down. Okay, so I'm not buying any more of it at all. I'm not buying anything of it at all until it gets down to this trend line. Once it gets down to here and actually proves to me that it's going to hold up and continue in the upside direction, I won't buy anymore. If it breaks this trend line, I will sell my whole position. Okay, I'm only buying more if and when it holds up this trend line and continues upward, then I'll buy more. Okay, right now it doesn't show that it wants to go back up, so I'm just going to hang on and wait to see where we get at. Let's see. DRYS making moves. Is that what's going on? Did I just hear that? Yeah, I don't know how I feel about DRYS. Like I said, everything's just kind of just very shitty right now. Nothing really looks that great. I did just look at something, but I don't even know if I did anything with it. No, that doesn't look good. SNES still looks bad. OPTT still looks bad. So QD, I don't know. I haven't even looked at it. Ooh, I like it. I think I might like it. Who is that? Who that? Chris Warren? Yeah, buddy. Good call. I don't know for sure. I'm going to do a little bit more of an analysis on it. So, oh, wow. What is this? Yeah, actually, I don't know. It's an IPO. I don't know if I like it. It looks really weak. I'll give you that. But it has to, below 25, I would like it. Maybe below 25 for a short, or maybe below 26. I don't know. It's just an IPO, so there's no clear direction right now. So let's see. Let's look at HMNY again. Yeah, HMNY looking very, very weak here. Let's see. Yeah, it does look pretty weak. We're going to have some resolution here pretty soon. Looks like it's about to fall off the face of the earth. Yeah, HMNY about to go down. Come on, buddy. Drop. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Do it. Just do it. You know you want to. You know you're a crap company anyways. Just drop. Oh, come on. Anyways, so HMNY, it looks super weak right now. I don't even like it. So, and that's again, guys, I apologize, but there's just the market is not speaking to us right now. There really isn't much to go off of. If you look at here's HMNY, it's just really weak. There's just nothing. There's just really nothing right now. It does. If it performs and it keeps up and it starts approaching and following this bottom trend line up to, you know, the high 1650, we might get a squeeze. RTON still holding up. This one's probably going to crap out right at the gates, probably drop down. Probably look to short that, honestly. JILL. JILL looks pretty weak here. Oh, well, I guess it did just gap down significantly. So what is it at? It's at what's the price at? 5 something. It has a little bit of room to move up until its first resistance area, but it hasn't had a red day in 4 days. So, and it is a slower moving stock, so I don't think it's something I would trade. But it did just gap down. There is possibility for a little bit of movement there. DXTR, I don't like it. It's just too low volume. It's a very, very low price stock. It's not something I'll trade. I mean, yeah, if you want it. I mean, I don't mess with them enough. Okay, guys, look at HMNY looking to break its downward resistance line right now. It's failing to do it. Yeah, it's having a tough time getting through there. VKTX. Yeah, no, VKTX too light volume, not worth trading. Oh yeah, okay. So say I had news yesterday or what? If it had news this yesterday and morning, and if the news was good, there'd be more volume than this, right? That's the thing. Whether or not it had good news or not, there's just no one trading it still. So it could have the world's best news, and if no one respects it, then it's not going to trade good. So it just doesn't have the volume we want to trade it. AMD. All right, let's finally see what this chart's doing. Yeah, AMD is on a bullish trend here. Oh, I don't want to do that. So let's see. We have old support, uptrend. Yeah, I might like AMD over probably over 1430, 1425. Yeah, that's where I like it. So, So once again, guys, it's just a slow starts in the morning. Here you go. Here, HMNY got bought right back up. Yeah, HMNY is about to drop down. But there is literally just nothing really looks good. I just keep running through it to see if anything has changed, and I mean, it just nothing. I think it's going to be short. I think it's going to honestly be a short day for me today. I think I'm literally just going to short everything. I'm not even going to. And this is it. This is exactly it, guys. You know, when things like this happen, where there's just not a lot of, when there's not a lot of stuff to play to the long side, you have to be able to short. And, you know, when there's no good penny stocks to play, you have to be able to find bigger price stocks to play. So again, I'm going to literally probably short Cure, AIMT, I mean, maybe even HMNY, but it's going to be one of those days, a short day. And another thing, if you don't have scanners that can pick you stocks in the middle of the day, it becomes very hard to trade stocks. Scanners are hands down one of the most important things to trading. If you don't have them, it makes it very, very difficult. Yeah, Sonny. Yeah, so yeah, if you want, Sonny, I don't know if you're friends with me on Facebook, but you can go ahead and reach out to me on Facebook, and I can get you into direct contact with my account manager, and I'll have her call you, and she can walk you over exactly how everything works. So, yeah, so Paul, I mean, it's so simple. Some of the shorts are so simple where you just watch it. Just watch the stock go up. Literally just watch it, just walk its way up and get really extended, and then eventually it's going to come down. So, yeah, VISI. Let's see. I use Trade Ideas to scan for my stocks. VISI, really light volume. I really wouldn't mess with it. Yeah, Randall. So it's not even the chat room. It's really just the whole website, right? And I mean, it's coming along. The guy's developing it. I'm hoping for 2 weeks. It might end up being about maybe 3 to 4 weeks because, well, I plan on bringing people on and beta testing it first with maybe like 50 to maybe 100 just to see how it works and see how it's running before I give the full launch. So maybe even full launch to be another 3.5 weeks out, which, you know, it is what it is, right? Good things take time, and I don't want to rush it. That would just be stupid. I want to make sure it's all good to go and everything's perfect. And I mean, I even have to have, you know, disclaimers, terms of agreement. I have to have a lot of things even written up because it's more than just going on YouTube now. It's literally become a business and where I take in money for it. So there's legality issues now. It is what it is, right? But I just have to make sure that's all in order. So, you know, I protect myself, you guys are protected, and that's what it comes down to. So we're almost there. It's going. Cure down. Let's see. Cure down. And, oh, I love it. AIMT. Yeah, so, all right, you guys. I'm going to let you go here. I will catch you tomorrow morning.